Well, hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, hopefully. If you're new here, my name is Dana and I'm a full-time reseller. I focus on reselling content, mainly eBay and Amazon, but I also do Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, all that fun stuff. And today's going to be a little different. I've got a mystery box. So this box right here was supplied to me by Bread and Butter Group. I won a contest over there for some referrals. And if you guys are interested in that, Bread and Butter Group, it's a cook group that shows you hot items, different things that you can make money on online. Some of the things are sneakers, PlayStation drops, Xbox drops, but then it's going to be a bunch of other stuff like, oh heck, I'll just show you one of them. Like these guys right here, there's some toys that were called out in the group. They're $7 in store, and I got 4 of them, and I sold them for $120 on eBay. That's going to be on tomorrow's What Sold, by the way, depending on what day I post this. But anyways, so this is a mystery box. I don't know what's in it. I know that there's supposed to be a little bit of cash in there because I won the prize. Part of it was cash, and part of it was a reseller mystery box provided by Adam, Millennial Profit. So I'll post his information down in the description along with the information for the cook group. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this video at all. And let's see what I got. So we'll see if it's anything good. We got the knife here. Let's just cut it open. You guys can see it's brand new sealed. I've been sitting on this box for, oh man, a week and a half because I haven't had time to open it. And I wanted to video it versus just open it or do it live or something like that. So anyways, I have no clue what's in here, good, bad, or indifferent. So we'll just kind of show it off and I'll let you see what I got. So let's see, we got some hot gloves. So some hot gloves here for getting things from fireplace or whatever. 2 of those. We got some N95 respirator masks. N95 respirator masks. We got a Philadelphia Phillies Christmas ornament. Little Santa Claus right there. So if you're a Phillies fan, let me know. We got a flag. This one looks to be the LA Lakers flag. Adam sells a whole lot of flags on his channel. He gets boxes and stuff like that, pallets where you get that kind of thing. Let's see, we got a Louisville Cardinals mint coin collection. Louisville Cardinals mint coin. Hopefully these are showing up all right. I might be a little too far from the camera, so I can move it slightly closer. Let's see, we got a Miami Dolphins straw cup. Miami Dolphins straw cup. Got a basketball, SeaWorld San Diego basketball. You got a lot of stuff in this. Oh, you see that right there? Hopefully you can see the Broncos. I'm a big Broncos fan, and he must have had some of this. So we got a oversized Broncos scarf, not just one, but 2. So for the balmy, cold, 50-degree winter days here in Arizona, we got some nice Broncos scarves. I'm gonna throw those on the side over here because those are pretty cool. We got some football cards. Donruss football holiday blaster. So maybe we get some good Broncos stuff out of there. Got a Titleist hat. Kakuga's Real staff hat. Titleist hat. We've got, let's see, it's a Clemson Nike Dry Fit, $75 retail. $75 retail on that. That's nuts. That's pretty cool. It's like a pullover kind of thing. Let's see, what do we got? New Jersey Devils. It's a V-neck New Jersey Devils shirt here. That is size large. We got some random loose earplugs. I wonder if those were, no, I was gonna say they were part of the respirator box, but I don't think so. Philadelphia Flyers shirt. Ladies Philadelphia Flyers shirt, V-neck here. And we've got whatever is in the a mystery box inside of a box. We'll see, get my knife back out. What do you guys think of that mystery box? So whatever that was value in there, I'm not sure what that's going to be. I'm not going to put it up on the screen. I'm just going to show you guys that that's what it was. Again, there was kind of like a referral contest. Each referral that you referred to the Bread and Butter Cook group got you an entry into that, and I think I referred, it was 3 or 4 members at that time. I know I've referred a few more. They had closed membership to only referrals, and you couldn't just sign up on your own. If that's the case right now, I think it still is the case. If that's the case right now and you're interested in joining this cook group, hit me up in the comments down below or on Instagram at Dana Invests, and I'd be happy to potentially give you a referral for that. So, all right. So let's see, what do we got going on here? Wireless music caps, Bluetooth headphones. Is that a wireless hat? It's kind of, I don't know if I want to take it all out of there or not, but listen to music, voice chat. So it's like a Bluetooth headphones on a hat that you can listen to. So anyways, pretty cool stuff. And I don't think I'm missing any. Whoa. It's like there was supposed to be something in here that I wasn't sure that I hit yet. This is not football cards. This is not football cards. I'm coming around the side here. Let me get a little bit closer to the camera. So this is not football cards. I opened it just because I was going to say maybe let's open a pack or two. You guys see that? Holy cow, do you guys see that? What the heck is this? Well, apparently Adam spends his time off either as a vending machine owner at the strip club, something where he needs a lot of ones, because I don't even know how to count all that. But can you guys see that? Holy cow. Whatever that is the prize, the extra prize for winning that referral contest. So anyways, shout out Adam, Millennial Profit, Hayden over there as well as the other owner of the group, and Bread and Butter group for the mystery box and the prize over here. So you know what this is to me? Dollars are great for yard sales. So we're going to spend this money at yard sales, and we're going to 10x. So each one of these ones, we're going to turn into a $10 bill. So that's going to be 10, 20, 34. I'm not even going to count that up because that's just crazy. We're at 10.5 minutes. I don't know how the editing is going to go for this. I might just throw it up like this and say thanks for watching. So check out my other videos if you're interested. I've got oh heck, I don't even remember right now. $2,500 going out tomorrow morning right now between eBay and Amazon, and it's going to be a great time. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I do live wet solds in the morning. Come hang out then. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy sales. Peace.